The Rainbird LNK2 Wi-Fi module is a versatile upgrade that transforms specific Rainbird irrigation timers into smart devices, allowing for remote control via mobile applications. Installation is incredibly straightforward, taking mere seconds and requiring no tools, making it accessible for any user to set up on Apple iOS or Android devices. With the Rainbird app, you can manage your irrigation system from anywhere globally, ensuring your lawn receives the right amount of water while conserving resources. The module's Quick Pair technology facilitates seamless integration with smart home systems, enabling voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. By monitoring local weather conditions, the module intelligently adjusts watering schedules, optimizing water usage, and potentially cutting water consumption by up to 50%. The LNK2 Wi-Fi module is compatible with a wide range of Rainbird controllers manufactured after November 2, 2016, providing a secure and efficient solution for modern irrigation needs.